Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you some Excel functions. So for this we have to open Excel by clicking on the search bar and then we will type Excel and then we will click on this Microsoft Excel icon. So our Excel window is open now. So we will study some text functions. Like our first function is uppercase. Uppercase is used to convert lowercase into capital letters. For example, we will type any text in any cell address and then I have written this in a small letters, which means lowercase. And if you want to change this lowercase string or text into uppercase, which means capital letters, so we will use upper function. We will simply type upper and then open the bracket and then type the cell address in which Vardhan tutorial the text is given. So the address is D2 and then again we will close the bracket and then press enter. You can see here the changes. This Vardhan tutorial is written in a small case and our output or result is given in a capital letters or uppercase. Similarly, if you want to change the capital letters into small letters, we will use lower function. Like lower, we will type simply lower and then open bracket and we will type D5 because Vardhan tutorial is in the capital letters and then enter. You can see here the changes again. The Vardhan tutorial which was given in a capital letters, now it is changed in a small letters. So you can simply use upper and lower case. The third case is proper. For using proper function, we simply type proper and then open the bracket and then give the cell address D2 and then close the bracket and then press enter. So proper function will convert the first letter in each word in a capital letters or you can say uppercase and rest the letters will be in a small letters. So now if you want to calculate the number of characters given in a text string, then we will use len function. How we can use it? Now see, like we will type any text. Now if we want to calculate or count the letters or alphabets given in a text string, we use len, L-E-N, and then open the bracket again and then give the cell address F3 because our universal word is given in a F3 cell and then close the bracket and then enter. You can see the answer is 9. Why? Because UNIVERSAL. There are 9 alphabets or 9 letters in this word. The next is repeat function. Repeat function is used to repeat the text or word in given number of times. For example, we will type repeat R-E-P-T in a short form and then open the bracket and give the cell address. So if you want to repeat the universal word for 3 times, we will simply type the cell address in which the universal is given F3 and then number of times 3 and then close the bracket and then press enter. You can see universal, universal, universal. The word is repeated for 3 times. If you use space after the L, then press enter, our output will be changed like this. The next is concatenate. For using concatenate function, we have to type 2 words or more than 2 words in a different cell addresses. Like I have typed computer in D1 cell and education in a different cell address. Now I want to join these 2 words or 2 text strings in a one text string. We will use concatenate. Now give the cell address. We will type the cell address D1 and then comma, and then again type the cell address of education, which is F4, and then press enter. You can see the output, computer education now in a single cell address or single text string. The next is exact function. Exact function checks whether two given text strings are same or not, and it will return the answer in a true or false. Like this, if we type, I have written this computer in a small letters, only C is capital, and this computer is in a capital letters. Now see what exact function will do. We will type exact and then give the cell addresses D1 and E1 and then press enter. The answer is false. Why? Because in E1 all the alphabets in a computer words in a capital letters or uppercase, and in D1 all the letters except C are given in a small letters. So if we will change this computer into capital letters, our output will be true.